Here we have another gorgeous 2007 Ford E250 Econoline handicap wheelchair conversion van, VMI Tuscany conversion. Gorgeous van, almost flawless inside and out. 39,000 original miles, southern van, rust free, 100%. VMI Ricon S series lift. Beautiful power doors, lowered floor. It's got the rear power folding seat. I'm going to give you the tour of this whole van. It's got the Sherlock ratchet straps throughout. The van is in immaculate condition all the way around. I'll point out any flaws I can find. This van is stunning inside and out. This is exactly the way we got it. The previous owner took very good care of it. 39,000 original miles. Clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title all the way. No stories whatsoever. Lowered floor, Sherlock tie downs, fully wireless system. Got the remotes. Gorgeous body. VMI Tuscany conversion. Rear power folding bed. It folds all the way down. Dual battery system. You can operate the lift from two areas, from the front driver's seat or from the wireless system, or it also has a wired remote inside. Van is absolutely beautiful. Not a drop of rust on this van. It's beautiful inside and out. 5.4 liter V8 2007 Ford Econoline E250 VMI Tuscany conversion van. We specialize in conversion vans, handicap vans. We do have them coming and going all the time. The market is tight on them. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. We're happy to help if we can. We love to see our customers get the right van for them. Give us a call, don't hesitate. You can text us at that number. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. If there's anything that you're confused about, just give us a call. We're happy to help clear it up. This does have a lowered floor, Ricon lift. Everything is working. Give you the full-on tour of how everything works as well. You got a giant camera screen there, which is great. You got all your window shades, gorgeous wood grain, indirect lighting, L-track tie downs, and this thing is awesome. Runs and drives perfectly. The paint is immaculate. There's not a mark on this truck. Very, very, very minor wear and tear for the year and mileage. You won't find one nicer anywhere. We look high and low to find vans just like this one. I mean, look at the body, is laser straight. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's your backup camera. Rear power folding bed. Everything works exactly the way it's supposed to. Bed goes all the way down. The wheelchair lift is not in the way, so you can use that. Headliner, everything's in excellent shape. This van is just flawless. We search high and low for vehicles like this. This is the kind of vans we buy. These are the kind of vans we sell. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You may text us to that number. Happy to help at any time. Nice tires. Kelly Safari ATR LT tires. Body and paint on this van is beautiful. The seats are immaculate. Hardly any wear and tear on this van. So it does have a parking brake here, dual battery system, parking brake bypass. It does have the Guardian intermotive interlock, which means you need the parking brake to operate the lift. You can operate the lift here, or with the remote, or with the pendant on the lift. As you can see, 39,687 miles. Gorgeous van. Inside and out. Super duper clean. Needs nothing at all. I mean, it's just like a time capsule. This thing is brand new. Look at the condition, it's excellent. Hardly a mark on it anywhere. 39,000 miles. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. It's got all your original stickers. There's no stories with this van. Hard to find them in this condition. We rarely get them in this shape. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. We can ship to any destination in the world. We do accept all types of trade-ins. Anything you got, cars, boats, trucks, vans, motorcycles, anything you got, let us know. We've been in business 44 years. We have 100% positive feedback and 5-star reviews. We try to do the best we can to make sure our customers are happy. Give us a call. 954-561-2499. This is your lift operating. Just hit that. It should go all the way to the platform there. Then you hit the gray sequence button and you're in. Done. Awesome setup, wireless system. Don't struggle anymore. You got a gorgeous van here. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. 07 Ford E250 Ford. Needs nothing. You won't find another one like it anywhere. It's beautiful. Southern van, no rust. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We're happy to help at any time. Thank you.